Go, Joe, go. Good job. Hey, are you pushing your car? Uh-oh. You dropped it. What happened? Let's go over here. Push it over here, Joel. Joel. Hey. Over here. You gotta turn it. You're gonna hit the fence. Over there. Come on. You can't go outside the gate, dude. Uh-oh. Are you okay? Let's go over here. Oh. Oh. What happened? Uh-oh. You alright? You want to go outside that gate, don't you? Go, go, go. What's that? Don't eat it. No. It's not a grape. Let me have it. Throw it on the floor. Throw it. Good job. Let's go. Throw it. Let's go. Nasty. Come on. It's gross. Don't touch them. Let's go. Want to ride the slide? Ah, no. Don't eat it. Let's go. Izzy. Oh, look at her hands. Joel ate a couple berries. Don't eat it, Joel. Let's go. Push. There you go.